Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. In this video, we will guide you through how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. This is really easy and convenient to do, as you may go and have a WhatsApp number for personal things and another for work or for another reason. So we are going to guide you through how you can have them both on one phone. Come to the bottom right corner, tap on your photo. Here, near your name, tap on plus icon, and you will then go and see your current WhatsApp account, and you want to press at the bottom, Add Account, or tap on Account here, then you will see the second last option, Add Account. Tap on that. This will also open Add Account option. Tap on Add Account. Here, tap on Agree and Continue if you do. I have read these before. Here, enter your another number. Now you will receive OTP. Enter that OTP here. If you are using this number previously, it will ask for Restore from iCloud. If you want Continue with Restore from iCloud, otherwise tap on Skip. Okay, it shows no backup found. Now I will tap on Skip Now. Okay, here enter your name and tap on Done. Now here add passkey if you want. Okay. Now you can see that the second account is added successfully. And you can switch between accounts by pressing the account name here, and you can select the account from here to switch. Or just double tap on the profile here in bottom right. This will switch between the accounts. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.